Hello everyone. In this particular video, we are going to have a look at another evaluation metric called as recall. So recall can be defined as the ratio of true positives by the sum of true positives plus false negatives. So this is useful in the case where having false negatives, that is missing out on predicting a value as positive, can be costly. So the example for this can again be the fraud detection problem, where we want to catch every single fraud. So missing any one of them and flagging a fraudulent transaction to be a genuine transaction can be quite expensive for the company. So the other names for recall are sensitivity and true positive rate. And in a binary classification problem, recall can be calculated as true positive by true positive plus false negative. And similarly, we have given examples to where recall can be used. And the other example is that of a disease diagnosis, where if the patient has a disease and if the model predicts it as negative, then our model will have failed to detect the disease and it can have crucial consequences. To calculate recall in scikit-learn, we use the recall score function. It again requires two arrays yTrue and yPred, where yTrue is the ground truth and yPred is that predicted by the model. And when we calculate the ratio, we are going to end up getting a value of 0.75. Here, because the false negatives happen to be where the true label was 1, but it has predicted it as 0, whereas the other instances are correctly calculated. So we are going to have 3 by 4, so getting a value of 0.75. So if we look at this on a real world data set, so we are going to use a decision tree model in this particular case. We have followed the same steps as we have done so far of doing the required imports, splitting the data set, and then we use the function recall score. In this case, we are going to get the confusion matrix as seen here. And if we go back and calculate manually again, the same confusion matrix, this time we have true positives to be 83, true negatives to be 51, false positives to be 3, and false negatives to be 6. The formula for the recall once again is true positive divided by true positive plus false negative, and we fill in the values in this particular formula and we get the value to be 0.9325, which is same as what we had seen in the collab.